Today is 6/29/24. We're using Magicplan. We just installed the app. You can actually scan in a file or let the room scan itself, and then you can manipulate it. So here we go. So you want to move around like this. So now it tells you to put it around the corner. Okay. Save photo. So I guess I'm just gonna walk around and they're just scanning the whole room. Check it out. Using LiDAR. This is I think a iPhone 14 roughly. So it's literally scanning the whole thing. And then I send this off, and 24 hours later, I get a file that I can edit. Or if I had a file. And then also, you can put a Bluetooth external laser, and then you can sync with it, and then every time it measures, or you tell it, it tells you where to measure, then the numbers are like more than 94% accurate. Wow, it sure knows what the lines. So if you're a real estate agent, or you're a handyman, or you're a contractor, or you want to just like move stuff around in your room and house, you can use this app. It's awesome. And then there's like, this is the free version, but $12.99. You can do more, and $39.99 you can collaborate with people and make a lot of comments. This is my first time using the app, but I'm amazed already. I saw this app on YouTube, and I went to get it. I downloaded the free version, and still using the free version. And that's what you're seeing right now. All right. Processing. Review your scan. Confirm your scan. Look, it does look like the shape. Residential. Kitchen, dining room, room type, living room, bedroom. See more. Closet, study room, garage. Work, furnace, patio, outbuilding. Primary bathroom. So we'll call it a I guess we'll call it just an outroom then. Oh, no, that's outbuilding. We'll call it a kitchen. Let's get another room. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna hit done. You can tap to discard the scan. Everything's called a kitchen. There's the way I step in. Wow. Alright, so that's how it works. Thanks for watching.